On today's video, we're going to replace this swing bar security latch, and we're going to install the new PDL privacy latch with the help from my friend Justin.
Right, so we're going to take off the old ones. Hopefully they go real easy. Sometimes you'll have strip screws. So we're going to have it go about here. And best thing is we can cover up the old holes. We're not going to be able to put it here though. Edge against frame towards door. This edge against frame towards door.
Okay, this is an actual sticker or template, and it shows you where to drill your 3 holes. So we just line it up with the edge right here. Okay, it takes a 532 drill bit for your pilot hole. There it is there. Right, here's our drill bit. It's a 5/32. It has to be the exact size for the screw the kit comes with. Here's the screw. Okay, let's go pilot drill this. Take the sticker off.
So I'm gonna just double check. Yeah, everything lines up beautifully.
There it is there. We kind of patched up the holes to make it look more camouflaged. So you can use whatever you want. You can use Old English or some stain. You can use this right here. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.